I love it when I get books from my clients, especially clients that I've been working with for a very long time, because I get to see everything that we've been working on since, I don't know, for 6, 8, 10 months sometimes. Gosh. I've never done an unboxing before. It's gonna kill me. Okay, here we go. All right, if you like unboxing videos, this one's for you. They did such a great job wrapping the journal. Right? Oh, how gorgeous. This is the Health and Wellbeing Journal by Keith and Nina Herman. He sent me 2 of them because he's so nice. So here, the Health and Wellbeing Journal. It has this nice band on it I can take off for instructions, QR code on how to use the journal, of course. It has this lovely elastic band so you can keep track of where you are in the journal. And then in the back, it also has this nice pocket so you can hold on to whatever stuff you may want to hold on to. To take you hands-free. So of course there's a QR code, how to get started, content, table of contents, introduction, and a lot. Okay, so here is the habit tracker information where you can write down the habits you're trying to work on and if you've completed them. And there's a few months work in here. Talk about mindset, nutrition, which is of course interesting, and then of course your goals, and then it dives you right into your weekly plan. So then you can start with your days. Start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I love this because absolutely it's date free, so you get to specify when you start, when you stop, and there are tips and everything on how to self-assess, so you can kind of take a step back and look at how you did. Grocery planning, less time to wake up, top priorities. So this is a great journal. Oh, I totally forgot there are ribbons inside. You can decide how you want to color coordinate it. Gorgeous. This journal is a 13-week journal. It was really designed for quarterly goal setting work. And then of course you have your notes area that you can do. And then when you're done, of course you want to order your next one. And again, here's the little pocket in the back where you can put little reminders. Go for it. I had a client make this for me. It was really nice. You can slide that in there, whatever it is that you want to put in your notebook. Keep it nice and tight with the ribbon. You're definitely going to want this journal when you start your new year. So go ahead and order yours today. Maybe order 2 so that you get halfway through the year before giving up on your goals at least. There's nothing like getting organized and having tools to help you reach your goals that are the most important. Of course, you can get at keithaherman.com, and I will link it in the comments below. Go check it out.